All right, so now I'm going to take a look at the assignment that I have to do today. This is the assignment where I'm going to compare fractions and I have to tell whether the fractions are true or false and then tell why they are true or false and justify them. I'm going to use my fraction bar. So it's going to be 2/6 is greater than 2/3 and I have to find out if it's true or false. So I click on my first fraction right here and my denominator is 6 and I need two of them shaded. There we go. My second fraction is 2/3, so I move over to the thirds. My numerator is two of them shaded. So they are telling me that 2/6 is greater than 2/3. What do you think? True or false? That's going to be what you're going to answer. So take a minute to think about, take a few seconds to think about this, and then we'll move on. Well, if I look at this, I see that the orange, the 2/6, has less of a value than 2/3, the green. So I'm going to say that this is definitely false. They've got it wrong. It should be the other way around. 2/6 is less than 2/3. And I justified it because I see that the green, there's more of the green shaded and there's less of the orange shaded. So that would be my response for the first one. Now the next one is having me compare 6/8 and 6/9, and it's saying that 6/8 is less than 6/9. So let's take a look at that one. First, I want to move and slide my a little slider all the way over to the left. There we go. And I start with the first one, which is 6/8. So I need my eighths. My denominator goes first. Six of them shaded. The next one is going to be ninths. So I move over to the ninths and six of them will be shaded here as well. My numerators are the same, my denominators are different. If you can tell, if you notice something, I want you to tell me, does it look like the eights are bigger pieces than the ninths? Because you're right. So they are saying that 6/8, let me write this over here, is less than 6/9. And you are to decide whether this is true or false. They're saying that the orange is less than the green. And is this true or false? Yes, this is definitely false again, because I see that the orange has more area that is shaded than the green. So the orange has a greater value than the green. So this is definitely false. And that is how we would justify that one. So you would do the rest of them on your own, but please make sure that you use your fraction bars. They're very helpful. All right, so the last thing that you would be doing is the cool down. And luckily they've already given you the pictorials. You have the fractions here. And anytime you have fractions, you are to write down the number fractions on the side for each of these and compare them and complete the sentence. Here you have another one where you're comparing them. Use your symbol greater than, less than, or equal to. Here, you're going to do what you did earlier, tell whether it's true or false, and then use words to tell why you decided that it was right or that it was wrong, and use your fraction bars as well. You're going to do several of those, and these are the two assignments that you're going to turn in. I hope that you do very good on this lesson, and I hope that you're able to visualize the fractions by using your fraction bars.